Hello, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter that is called exponents. Exponent means power. Means suppose that sorry, if we want to write anything in short form, then we put the power in upside of that number. Understand? So here you will study exponent and base. You know a upon b in bracket and power n. So this is the base. A upon b is base and this is the exponent. You know a upon b to the power n. N is exponent and a upon b is the base. Anything which is in bracket, that would be base, and the upside that is hanging, that is called its exponent. And in the multiplication form, uh, the power exponent will be add. Like if we write 2 upon 3 multiplied by 2 upon 3 multiplied by 2 upon 3. So you are seeing these are written three times, no? So we will write 2 upon 3 in bracket 3. Understand? So this is the third form of, you are seeing here in the positive integral, this line, or power of a rational number a upon b to the power n. It can be written as a upon b multiplied by a upon b multiplied by a upon b, because n is not a finite number. So we will dot 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 till n times. We will continue do. Understand? And these power will separately divide on b both number. Means a upon b to the power n means the power n is also on a and power n is also on b. give Watch this example, 2 upon 3 to the power 4. So then we will write 2 to the power 4 and 3 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 means 2 multiplied by 4 time. 2 multiplied by 4, this one, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Don't do this. 2 and the 2, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8, 2 for the 8. Don't do this. Multiplied of this number, the answer we will get the multiplied by the other, and whatever you get then multiplied with the others. And 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied, like 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Then 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 27 3 ja 81. That was then 16 upon 81. And one thing is important. If the power is in negative form, means suppose that it is written 2 upon 3 to the power minus 2. So this number will be reciprocal. Means we will write 3 upon 2 and power 2. If this minus will remove if there be just reciprocal to of the base. Look at the example here. 3 upon 5 to the power minus 3. Then in the next step we will write 3 in place of 3 upon 5, 5 upon 3. Means we will just opposite, right, and the power would become the positive, only 3, and then multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 times and 3 multiplied by 3 times. And one more thing is important, any power of any number, if 0, then answer would be 1. Answer, understand? Suppose that 2000 and the power is 0, then what answer would be 1. Here example, minus 2 upon 5 to the power 4 means minus 2 is multiplied by 4 times and 5 is also multiplied by 4 times. And if minus is in the base, like here you are saying minus 2, and the power is an even, 4 is even number, then answer will be positive come. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, and 5 5 the 25, 25 5 the 125, 125 5 the 625. And you don't know the multiplication या फिर table of the, so you will multiply it. 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, so 5 5 ja 25, then multiply, and 5 5 ja multiply, and then 5 25 5 ja ye karo, then you will do that, it will come 625. Understand? And you know that, look at here, these two are important. Minus 1 to the power 99. And you know 99 is the odd number. Understand? So answer would be minus 1. Because we multiplied 1 multiplied by 99 times 1. 19. So 1 venja, 1 venja, 1 venja, 1 venja, 1 venja. 99 time we will do. We will proceed it. Then answer would become minus 1. But power is negative, then answer would be in minus. And in the next form, minus 1 to the power 90, then power is even. 90 is even because it is, what is even and odd? The number which is divisible by 2 are called even, and not divisible by 2 are called odd. So 90 will be divided by 2, so it is even number. So answer would be positive 1 come. Another example is solved for you. 4 upon 7 to the power 3. So when we will multiply it for 4, write 3 times. 4 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 upon 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. You will multiply in your rough copy, then write the answer. 4 3 4. The same will be this process is hiring here. Now there is just opposite. There you will expand the, and here you will sort. 9 upon 64. So then you have to do factor. You know factors. Suppose that 9 you will 3 3 ja and 3 1 ja. Understand? And 64 divide by 2, 2 3 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 6 2 6 ja. Sorry, that 2 2 8 ja, then 2 4 ja, then 2 2 ja, then 2 1 ja. So what we will write? 3 multiplied by 3 upon, but we have to do equal powers, no? Here only 3 is 2 times, so we will write these in two form. You know these 3 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, so we will write 8. And these 3 also 2 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So answer would be 3 upon 8 to the power 2. Understand? Simply it will also solve for you. Firstly, find out the factor of 8 and find out the factor of 27. Then you will solve it. This is the homework for you. Complete and send me. Okay. So it is very enough for today.